Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come on in, y'all. Guess what? I am doing the DIY Future Project Series number 3. Yes, guys, if you've checked me out before, you will be able to see in the link below. I'll put my first 2 series, DIY project series in the description below. And you can check out what my past projects were. I always, well, not always, but I try to have at least 6 projects lined up for content, something to share with you guys. So, and that is the purpose of my DIY Future Project series, is to share what I want to do or ideas that I have that I just want to put it out here in the universe. So guys, if you want to see what that is all about, don't forget to check my link in the description box below for the other future DIY series. And guys, we're going to get into this series in 2 seconds. Okay guys, so the first DIY future project that I would like to do, one of the first that I would like to do, is wall art. And this was done with what you call a trowel and plaster. And this is a soft canvas, but I'll tell you about that when I get to that project. So this is something I would like to share with you guys, how I did it. Ooh, look, I like the way the reflection looks at certain angles. But anyway, future project number 1, wall art. Another piece of wall art that I would like to share with you guys is going to be done with these little fences right here, garden fences. Let me see what they're called. Yep, garden fence. These little garden fences, I have an idea to make more wall art with these. And what I would like to try to make, it's a picture of it up in the corner here. And I have these wooden planks. And what I did, I started trying to cut out pieces from this fence just to see how they could be cut. So I'll share that with you too when I do the video for the wall sconce. And this is future project number 3, the plant stand makeover. Guys, this is a plant stand that I had purchased during a video that I shared with you shopping at the thrift store with my sister. Yeah, and I said I'm going to use this for some content. So just so happens that I still have it. So now it's a part of the future DIY project series. We're going to make this beautiful, guys. Is I guess I have to put a picture of it in the corner because I don't have a visual, tangible right now to show you what I'm going to do, but I'm going to put a picture of it in the corner over here. And guys, I've always wanted to do these wings, and these are angel's wings. Now I believe I can do it. I'm going to do it for the first time with you. So if you want to see how that is done, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so that will let you know when these videos come up, so you'll get to see which video or which future DIY project I have going on at that time. And here is the next future DIY project. And yep, this is actually a surfboard, a mini surfboard. The real deal. I got it from the thrift store, and when I looked at it, I said, "Oh, I can make this into an African shield, but I like the starburst or the sunburst. I'm going to call it a golden burst. But I'm also going to trim off the sides and shape up the top and the bottom. But you know what? We'll get into that when I get to this DIY and finish this project. So this is another future DIY project. Alright guys, so the final and sixth future DIY project that I would like to share with you guys is going to be a do-over of the tabletop fire pit, as you see here. And this is what it used to look like, but this is what it's looking like now. So I want to do that over. And if you would like to see the full video of how I did it in the beginning, you can check that link. Will be in the description below for that video. It's the tabletop fire pit. So anyway, guys, and that is it for my future DIY series. My future project series number 3. No, my DIY future project series number 3. Look, I can't get it together. By the time I put this video out together, you'll know what it is. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in, and make sure that you share this video, comment below, and let me know if you have any ideas for me to try and share with you guys for the next future DIY project series, which will be number 4. And guys, I guess I will be seeing you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.